We continue to do everything we can to ensure public transport is a safe space, and I want to reassure our passengers that keeping everyone protected and safe is our top priority. Our buses and trains undergo daily, weekly and monthly cleaning regimes using industrial-grade, long-lasting antiviral sanitiser. And now we are also using breakthrough electrostatic cleaning techniques. All buses and trains are electrostatically sprayed every week with a long-lasting antiviral agent that penetrates more than conventional cleaners with a high level of efficiency. It forms a protective barrier preventing viruses from forming and ensures surfaces are completely covered in sanitiser, front, back and sides. Public transport has a key role to play in Northern Ireland's economic recovery while building back greener. I hope our robust cleaning measures will reassure you and give you confidence in our service as more people return to public transport. Thank you for your ongoing support, take care and let's go safely together.